Alright guys, it's your boy Big Tank from the South, and for this tutorial I shown 3 different methods for inside jQuery where we fit use take manipulate classes for our HTML document. So the 3 classes I'll talk about the remove class, then I'll also talk about add class, then we'll go talk about toggle class. So talk about these 3 classes, then we're done for this tutorial. So we'll start with the remove class. So this remove class now, we feel something remove any class now from any element where we target for this our HTML document. You get? So if I come this place now, we'll see like this grid container where this header now. So you see, so if we come here now, the grid container now will take the make sure see these things now decentralized here. You get? Based on the grid system. If you don't understand, check my semantic tutorial. I go leave description for the bottom of this video, so you fish check them out. But what I go do here, I go use jQuery now to target this class now, my remove them. You see so I'll come in, I'll see we'll target the header, then dot grid container. You see they'll go see remove class. They'll go specify the class we want to remove. So the class we want to remove now dot grid container. Dot grid container. So if I go back to my browser now, I inspect the elements too. I go refresh. The comma say blah, another something over here. Header grid container remove. Okay, we'll not put the dots here. So you just call the name of the class. You don't put the dots. We need to put the dots in the targets for here. You get? So I'll refresh. And you see they expand. So if we look at ourselves here, you see now just class there now. You see that grid container not there again. You see? So the add class now they do exactly the opposite. So I'm gonna duplicate this thing. I'll come here. I'll see add class grid container, but in order to see grid container now, you need to see grid container again for the page here. So meaning we'll not just go and say add grid container. If we target them, see as they work based on see in order to see this guy again as this code now they already come out the grid container. So you know the same. So if we come in now, we'll see div. So it go enter the header now, then it go target the div. But if we say just div now, it go target every single div now. Cause they give them the grid container. If I lie, we'll check them, see them. Even to say work self, see and say grid container there here now. If you open it, you see grid container for here, you see grid container for here. So what we go do now, at least I don't do CSS tutorials before, so you're supposed to understand what I want to do next now. I'll come here now, I go put this greater than sign to show so okay, once we enter the header now, the first descendant will be div. Now the targets. So now this one I go target now. So if I refresh, it don't do where, and if you check and you see and say grid container, they affect just one div now. You know they affect all this plenty div. You see so that now for the add class and the remove class. I'm comment the code. Then we'll talk about the toggle class. Now this toggle class now, so it go the on and off the matched element or the class for the matched element. So when it did on state for the toggle, the class or the add now, it go enter that particular element. Then when click again now, it did the off state now, it go remove the class. I'll do quick so that you go understand me better. So to demonstrate it, what I'll do, I go work with this explore button so that when we click it go on or off this minimalism and creativity and productivity text what we get for this place now. Shey you get me? So that I could do I go first come my editor here. More target the issue and I go put style. I go say style display none, just to explain my point here. More refresh, more see. Now shey you see and say it not D. So by default now, the text dey the background, but we'll put style where be like say offer. Shey you get, we'll put style where be like say offer. So you know the show. So you don't want to do something where be like say if we click on this button, I go show. Then if we click on the button again now, it go off. You get. So what I go do, I'll come top here. I'll just create style. I'll create style. Then inside the style, I'll just create class. I'll call them visual. So what we go do, we see this visual. Now when we click on that button, now it go to add this visual. They remove the button, so it go to toggle this class. Should get it? Go to toggle this class. So I'll say display block. Display block. Then I go use important, so that in August one be this one must come outside. Check out my CSS tutorials, you go understand all these things. So I'll come back. I'll say dollar. Most people will target. We target this theme, then this anchor tag because I just want to click. So we'll say dot theme A, which is a button dot on. Where's our event binder now? So when we click, we'll say make this function happen. You see them? So what did inside here now? I go happen. So it go happen for inside here now. We'll target the H1, which is this one now. So we'll target this one now. So we'll target and we'll say dot toggle class. Then we'll specify the name of the class we want to toggle now. And the name of the class we want to toggle now visual. You see, make sure so when you do them, not go put dot for you. If you put it, no work. So make sure it's not just the class in the code for there. So the toggle visual. Then normally we return false, so that the default behavior of this anchor tag not go work. So I'll go back, I'll refresh. When I click, come, let's add the rest something new, so yeah, we'll see. Okay, see ya. I'm not put on. So say you see this small error like I'm making now. So imagine say if I have plenty code now, all these errors now are bound to happen. So always try to cross check, they look your all this your double quotes. They're very important. May you know the right and pass. So I'll go back, I'll refresh. Then I'll click on explore. Show you the same. When I click explore now, it shows minimalism, creativity, and productivity. I'll click on back. It not show again. So when I click on it show, I click on back, it not show. Show the same. So I toggle the class now. Show the get. So if we use this show many things like if we do something like maybe we'll get one kind of small write up for here now. But the write up plenty where we'll go say read more. And one minute thing just show. So if you just click on I go show come out. The other methods will be like say for instance you go VC and those guys too. I will go talk on later for this our series, but when I use something rest more to get. So going to watch the same tutorial and understand better, master the thing, because I only talk the more you practice, now it will make you good. So any I shall go sign up for the next tutorial. See me your layer boy Big Tank from Double South, and like the video if you just join us, subscribe to the channel, tell that where they happen, and I'll sign up for the next video. So thank you.